Hello, teacher Ford.
Hello, hello, Pukpam. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you see me? Do you see me?
Yes.
Okay, I guess it's all right. Okay, it's so nice to see you again, Pukpam. Am I right, Pukpam? Did I?
Yes.
Okay, Pukpam. Do you remember me? Do you remember me?
Yes, I remember you,
Okay,
Mr. Ford.
Teacher Ford. Okay. How are you today, Pukpam?
I have a straight phone in work.
Hmm.
Yes, so when I finish my work, I go back to home and take a short sleep to
Ah,
yeah to um
to gain energy again.
yes.
Uh, okay, I'm really glad we're learning today again. Okay, let's have some fun while we practice teaching English again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you already see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read number
What
one? Book pa.
uh,
Okay, say again.
what hobbies do you have?
Okay, what hobbies do you have? Okay, may I ask Pam, what is your hobby or what is your favorite hobby right now?
Mm, right now,
Yes, right now. Or
uh,
what did you do after your work?
um, I usually hit hit the gym after
Oh,
work and have a dinner.
how long did you go to gym?
It's about 1 hours. One
Oh,
hour.
1 hour. Do you have a coach when you
Mm,
are at the gym or you do it alone?
I do it alone.
Oh, so how long have you been doing gym?
I start to do the gym last year.
Oh, last year. So
Yeah.
for sure, uh, you gained muscles. You change your body from what? Okay, I went from what kilos? From what kilo did you start? Or
From what?
wait,
Um, from 80, 80
80 right now.
kilograms to 73.
So 73. So great, great. So you've been lifting or you prefer to leg work like jogging
Um, I
or
usually do the
dumbbells?
workout, workout like
Ah,
running. Yeah.
or running. What else? What else? What else?
Mm, running. Uh,
How about uh, jumping rope? Do you
no, I don't do that.
okay. Do you love bicycle or
Yes, bicycle.
do you have own bicycle or only at the gym?
Hmm?
Do you own a bicycle? Do you own or do you have bicycle?
Bicycle. No, I don't have any bicycle.
So you only use bicycle at the gym.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So, since I know your hobbies, di ba? So you do it after a work,
Yes.
right? Okay. So right now we have a new topic. Okay. So
Mhm.
what hobbies do you have? Okay. So first, okay. So kindly read this, Pam. I can I call you Pam or Pook?
Uh,
Which do you prefer?
book is okay.
Okay, so kindly read book. The first one,
Movie,
movie.
movie, TV.
Okay, so I know that you already know what is movie.
Yes.
Okay, so my question is, what is your favorite movie right now that you watch already?
I like the horror movie.
What is the title? What's the title of the
Mm,
movie?
so many
Pick one. Your best.
names like
Your favorite.
The Conjuring, The
Oh,
Conjuring series.
how about the Terrified? Did you know Terrified movie?
Mm,
Terrified. Or am I say it correctly? Okay, this one. Terrified. Okay,
mm,
this movie. Did you see my screen? I will open another
Terrify Home.
horror movie. Like this one. Did you see it
Uh,
already or not?
yes, I saw it.
Terrifier
Somewhere.
rather. Terrifier. Terrifier. This one.
Mm,
Terrifier. This movie. It was a very nice movie. For me, that was my greatest horror movie I've watched in my whole life. How about you? You said it is the. Can you repeat it again?
The
Conjuring?
Conjuring. Yes.
Okay. So The Conjuring. Okay, so that's the movie you have watched. Where you what's your feeling after you watch that movie?
Mm, real. I feel thrill when I watch this movie.
What else? What else?
Um, I just scare when I watching this movie, but when it finish, everything is done.
Uh,
Um, yes, because the America movie is have the different culture than the Asian culture. So
um,
when I watch the American movie, just scare in this time, but don't have any uh, obsess after that. Yeah.
did, did you watch it on Netflix?
Yes. Sometimes I watch Netflix in free
Oh,
time. Yeah.
okay. That's great. That's great. So, uh, after watching the movie, did you dream of this
Mm,
at night
no,
when you sleep?
no, I have never.
Uh, for sure you will became scared when you dream of it, right? Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you know already what is a movies. Okay, how about movie show? What is your favorite movie or I mean TV show in your
TV show.
country?
Mm, I don't like movie show in my
Ah,
country. Yeah.
cartoons or action movies?
Uh,
Do you
Cartoon,
have
Doraemon.
Tom and Jerry?
Doraemon.
How about Tom and Jerry?
Yes.
Uh, I'm pretty sure that you watch it uh, always, like when you're still a kid. Oh, okay. So, okay, I know that movie. Okay, so moving on. So next is the word. This one. Kindly read it
Singing, dancing,
again. Singing,
singing,
singing.
singing,
Okay, so singing. Okay, I will play it. Then you listen. Okay, so singing. Okay. Okay, singing. Okay, that's enough. Singing. Okay, the next one. How about this one? After the word singing.
dancing,
Okay, so dancing. Then
dancing.
dancing. So, do you like to sing or do you like to dance?
I like both of them. I like to watch
Oh,
the people singing and dancing.
okay. How about
Dancing.
mm, do you sing or you love to sing?
Sometimes I go to karaoke
Ah,
with my coworker, but I'm not good at singing.
okay. What songs do you like to sing? What songs do you like to sing every time you have on a karaoke?
Many songs.
What is your favorite song?
It's almost a Vietnamese song.
Oh,
Mm,
what is the title? What is the title of it?
Yes, I will text in the chat box.
Okay, see.
Yeah, this is my favorite song
I
when
don't.
I go to karaoke.
What's the theme of this song? What's the theme? It's about love story or
Yes.
okay, I see. How about do you know any Philippine singers
Mm,
like Leia Salonga?
no, I don't know. I
Oh,
watch on YouTube many singer in Philippines, and I know the Philippines has the very very good voice.
yes.
Yes,
So,
but I rarely listen the English songs again and again, so I can't remember the singer.
so by the way,
Yes.
few fun facts about Leia Salonga ito. I will chat it I will write it, Leia Salonga.
Leia Salonga.
Yes.
Okay.
Leia Salonga gained international acclaim. Oh, she earned Tony Award in 1991. She was the first Asian woman to receive this honor, Tony Award,
Mm,
the Tony Award. Oo, so when you have a time, so you can stalk, you can stalk Leia Salonga, then you can um, watch or listen to her music because she also a composer.
I searched her on internet and
Mm.
found is she the singer of the Mulan uh theme music? Yes,
Yes,
is it right? Okay, you
ah,
can.
that one.
Okay,
Okay, so Miss Saigon, I give some of her songs are "On My Own," "I Dream a Dream." That
mm,
was her song. Okay, so I know that you love singing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you already know what's the word singing and dancing.
yes, I know.
Okay, so moving on. So the next word is drawing, then
Drawing photo,
photo. So kindly repeat it. Kindly repeat it. The word, the first word,
drawing,
drawing,
drawing
then photo. Okay,
photo,
drawing and photo.
photo.
Photo. So drawing means making pictures. Making pictures with a pencil, pen,
Mm.
or crayons. Do you like to draw, Pook? Do you like to draw?
No, no, I
Yeah.
don't like it.
We are same because for me, I don't also like drawing. Uh, I don't also like. I am not really good in drawing. Okay, so how about this one? How about photos or taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures because I like traveling.
Hmm.
So I take a lot of picture during my tour, my travel tour.
Okay, so which country did you go to? Country. How many? How many
Hello,
country
can you hear me?
did you go at? Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, okay, I hear you now.
Am I audible now?
How many countries? I think it's the country. Do you mean the other uh the other different from Vietnam? It's
Yes.
like
Aside from Vietnam, did you
uh
went to Singapore or Japan?
I have one time to travel to Taiwan and one time to Laos.
Laos.
Yeah.
Which country do you like best? For you is the best.
Uh, Between Laos and Taiwan, I will prefer Laos because I like the nature scenery of Laos. It's
Mm,
have no affection from people.
they
Uh,
are very hospitable, like us here in the Philippines. Right? Okay, so
yeah.
you preferred to visit again Laos or Laos, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so nice, nice. Okay. The next is drawing, photo. The second to the last one is the word
Music.
music. So
Music.
singing and music is similarly, right?
Yes.
So
Similar.
music and singing. So can I have an activity first proceed before we proceed to the next word? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Kindly give me an examples or sentences using the word movie, singing, drawing, and music. So first is the word movie. First is the word movie.
So I
Movie.
do you mean I make the sentence
Yes.
with yes
Make
with this
make a sentence. For example, for example, my favorite movie is Terrifier because
mm,
it was so suspense and very scary. Something like that.
mm,
Your turn,
um
right? Okay,
okay,
continue.
movie. I um I usually go to see the movie with my friends
Mm,
um two times a month.
two times a month. In
Twice
a
twice a month.
cinema, right?
Yes. Cinema.
Okay, so nice, nice. So how about the word singing? How about the word singing?
I am not I am not good at singing, but I love to karaoke.
Karaoke. You always get, I think, 100 or nine, or shall we say 99 only. Okay, so very good. Okay, so you really understand the words. How about the last one? The word I
Games.
drawing and photo. Can you make a sentence that have drawing and photo?
Oh,
Drawing and photo
photo.
and photo. For example,
Drawing.
for example, I prefer, I love taking
Photo.
photos than drawing.
Drawing.
Ah, now it's your turn.
Mm, I took a lot of photos um, during my traveling, but I don't have any um, favorite. I don't have any excited in drawing.
Okay, so another example, another example.
Mm, uh,
Keep trying.
uh,
It's okay, it's okay. How about what what is your mm, favorite nature that you want to draw? For example, drawing. I like to draw, or should we say, draw or drawing? For example, I draw a mountain that has or that have very beautiful view, something like
Mm,
that.
mm, mm.
Drawing.
I think it's
Is
hard to think.
okay. So it's okay. It's okay. So at least you give one example. Then moving on. Moving on. The last is
Mm,
the word. What's the last word?
um,
What's the last word po? Right here.
games.
Games. Okay. So my question is, what is your favorite game in your laptop, or are you using laptop or desktop, right, or computer right now?
Yes, I use the laptop.
Okay, so in your
Mm,
laptop, what is your favorite game right there? Your
mm,
most played game? Dota. Did you know Dota or Mobile Legends?
I know Mobile Legends, but just play on the phone.
You only
Yeah,
play it on the phone, but
yeah, I play only on the phone.
some of players here in the Philippines, they played Mobile Legends in a laptop. Then I think it is very hard than playing with it in a cell phone, right?
Mm,
Okay, so then music, we already tackled music. Then the last one is the games. Do you like playing games alone, or do you like playing games with your partner or with your office mates? Which you prefer?
I prefer playing game. I prefer to play game with the others, like my brother.
Oh,
I
so
play game with my brother.
What games did you play? Did you play both?
Um, I will find the English name.
Okay, that's okay. So, but
Arena of Valor.
okay. So I don't know that game. But soon we will explore that one. Okay, so I think it's already time. Okay, then let's end first this first part. Then you join at 10:31 or nine
Mm,
thirty one. Okay.
yes.
Okay, wait. Then, okay. So, okay.